Our brains are incredibly complex organs, responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. To accomplish all of this, our brains rely on a network of billions of nerve cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other using special chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are like tiny keys that unlock specific receptors on neurons, transmitting signals across the gaps between them. Imagine a relay race where runners pass a baton from one to the next. Neurotransmitters work similarly, carrying messages from one neuron to another, allowing information to travel throughout the brain and body. This communication is essential for various functions, including mood regulation, movement control, learning, and memory. Just as different keys unlock specific locks, each neurotransmitter has a unique shape that fits into specific receptors on neurons. When a neurotransmitter binds to its receptor, it triggers a response in the receiving neuron. This response can either excite the neuron, making it more likely to fire, or inhibit the neuron, making it less likely to fire. Understanding neurotransmitters is crucial for comprehending how our brains function. Imbalances in these chemical messengers can contribute to various mental health conditions, highlighting their significant role in our overall well-being. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, as it plays a central role in our brain's reward system. It is released when we experience something pleasurable, such as eating delicious food, engaging in enjoyable activities, or achieving a goal. This release of dopamine reinforces these behaviors, making us more likely to repeat them in the future. Beyond pleasure, dopamine is also crucial for motivation and drive. It helps us initiate movement and seek out rewards, driving us towards goals and experiences that are essential for survival and well-being. Low levels of dopamine, on the other hand, can lead to decreased motivation, fatigue, and difficulty experiencing pleasure. Parkinson's disease, a neurological disorder characterized by tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with movement, is linked to the degeneration of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain. This highlights the crucial role dopamine plays in motor control and coordination. Dopamine imbalances have also been implicated in addiction and substance abuse. Drugs like cocaine and amphetamines flood the brain with dopamine, leading to intense feelings of euphoria. However, prolonged drug use can disrupt the brain's natural dopamine balance, leading to withdrawal symptoms, cravings, and difficulty experiencing pleasure without the drug. Serotonin is another crucial neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in mood regulation. Often referred to as the happy chemical, it contributes to feelings of well-being, calmness, and contentment. It is also involved in regulating sleep, appetite, and digestion. Low levels of serotonin are associated with depression, anxiety, and mood swings. This is why selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs, a class of antidepressants, are commonly prescribed to treat these conditions. SSRIs work by increasing serotonin levels in the brain, which can help alleviate symptoms. Beyond its role in mood, serotonin also plays a crucial role in regulating sleep-wake cycles. It is a precursor to melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate our circadian rhythm. Imbalances in serotonin levels can contribute to sleep disorders like insomnia. Furthermore, serotonin influences appetite and digestion. It helps regulate our feelings of hunger and fullness, and it also plays a role in the movement of food through the digestive tract. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that plays a critical role in both the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, it is involved in learning, memory, and attention. In the peripheral nervous system, it is responsible for muscle contraction and movement. When acetylcholine is released from motor neurons, it binds to receptors on muscle cells, triggering a series of events that lead to muscle contraction. This process is essential for all voluntary movements, from walking and talking to breathing and blinking. In the brain, acetylcholine is crucial for forming new memories and retrieving existing ones. It is also involved in attention, focus, and learning. Disruptions in acetylcholine signaling have been implicated in Alzheimer's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder characterized by memory loss and cognitive decline. Medications that inhibit the breakdown of acetylcholine, such as donepezil and rivastigmine, are sometimes used to treat the cognitive symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. These drugs can help improve memory, attention, and other cognitive functions by increasing acetylcholine levels in the brain. Section 5. GABA, the brain's calming agent. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that acts like a brake pedal in the brain. It slows down neuronal activity, reducing excitability and promoting relaxation and calmness. GABA counteracts the effects of excitatory neurotransmitters like glutamate, helping to maintain a balanced state of brain activity. When GABA levels are low, the brain can become overexcited, leading to anxiety, restlessness, and difficulty sleeping. This is why benzodiazepines, a class of anti-anxiety medications, are often prescribed to treat these conditions. Benzodiazepines enhance the effects of GABA in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. GABA also plays a role in regulating muscle tone, reducing excessive muscle activity, and preventing seizures. Medications that increase GABA activity are sometimes used to treat epilepsy, a neurological disorder characterized by recurrent seizures. Furthermore, GABA is involved in pain perception. It can reduce the transmission of pain signals in the brain, providing a natural analgesic effect. Section 6. Glutamate, the excitatory neurotransmitter. Glutamate is the most abundant neurotransmitter in the brain, and it plays a crucial role in learning, memory, and synaptic plasticity. Unlike GABA, glutamate is an excitatory neurotransmitter, meaning that it increases the likelihood that a neuron will fire. This excitation is essential for communication between neurons and for various cognitive functions. When glutamate binds to its receptors, it triggers a cascade of events that lead to the strengthening of connections between neurons. This process, known as long-term potentiation, or LTP, is thought to be the cellular basis of learning and memory. However, excessive glutamate activity can be toxic to neurons, leading to cell death. This excitotoxicity is implicated in a variety of neurological disorders, including stroke, traumatic brain injury, and Alzheimer's disease. Maintaining a balance between glutamate and GABA is crucial for maintaining a healthy brain. Too much glutamate can lead to overexcitation and cell death, while too much GABA can lead to lethargy and impaired cognitive function. Section 7. Norepinephrine, the alertness and focus messenger. Norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline, is both a neurotransmitter and a hormone. It is part of the body's fight-or-flight response, preparing it for stressful or dangerous situations. When we perceive a threat, norepinephrine is released from the adrenal glands and from neurons in the brain. This release of norepinephrine increases heart rate, blood pressure, and blood flow to muscles, preparing the body for action. It also enhances alertness, focus, and attention, allowing us to respond quickly to potential danger. Norepinephrine plays a role in mood regulation, with low levels being associated with depression and fatigue. Some antidepressants, such as tricyclic antidepressants or TCAs, and serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors or SNRIs, work by increasing norepinephrine levels in the brain. Furthermore, norepinephrine is involved in regulating sleep-wake cycles and promoting wakefulness. It also plays a role in learning and memory consolidation. Section 8. Endorphins, natural pain relievers, and mood boosters. Endorphins are a group of neurotransmitters that act as natural pain relievers and mood boosters. They are produced by the body in response to pain, stress, and exercise. Endorphins interact with the same receptors in the brain as opioid drugs, such as morphine and heroin, producing analgesic and euphoric effects. When endorphins bind to these receptors, they block the transmission of pain signals, reducing our perception of pain. This natural pain relief system helps us cope with injuries and stressful situations. Beyond pain relief, endorphins also contribute to feelings of pleasure, euphoria, and well-being. They are released during pleasurable activities, such as exercise, listening to music, and spending time with loved ones. The release of endorphins during exercise is thought to contribute to the runner's high, a feeling of euphoria and reduced pain sensitivity experienced during intense physical activity. Endorphins also play a role in regulating stress, reducing anxiety, and promoting relaxation. Section 9. The importance of understanding neurotransmitters. Understanding neurotransmitters is crucial for unraveling the complexities of the human brain and its impact on our behavior, emotions, and overall well-being. These chemical messengers play a fundamental role in various brain functions, and imbalances in their activity can contribute to a wide range of neurological and psychiatric disorders. By studying neurotransmitters, researchers can gain insights into the underlying mechanisms of these disorders and develop new treatments to alleviate symptoms and improve patients' quality of life. For instance, a deeper understanding of dopamine's role in addiction has led to the development of medications that can help individuals overcome substance abuse. Furthermore, knowledge of neurotransmitters can help us make informed decisions about lifestyle choices that can impact our brain health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress reduction techniques, and adequate sleep can all influence neurotransmitter levels and promote optimal brain function. As we delve deeper into the intricate world of neurotransmitters, we gain a greater appreciation for the remarkable complexity of the human brain. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about our health and well-being and inspires the development of innovative treatments for neurological and psychiatric disorders.